We're now in one of our completed homes built by one of our local builders. You can see the different amenities and features that we have in this house with different drywall reliefs, solid surface countertops, cherry cabinets, 9-foot high ceilings. Kitchens and baths are very important to home buyers. These are some of the features that they're looking for, and it gives them the ability to customize their house to fit their needs and their family's needs. As we travel around the home, you can see this is being used by our builder for his model, but the master bath also has some very strong and unique features to it. Some of the information about how this house actually is set on site. We saw the process in the facility where we started with a floor in a jig, built square, walls plumbed, level square. Once everything is completed, it's brought to the site. This actually here is what we call a marriage point. It's very hard to distinguish in this house, and that's one of the many features that we have, is we try not to have the houses look like they're just several pieces put together. So this piece was installed first. Then as we look down the hallway, there's actually two sections here. This would be a front section and a rear section. Also, to create more space and openness, this area that is the breakfast room was actually a separate piece that was constructed and then added on. So by doing this, you get a nice even flow through the house. We're now in the basement of the home of the model that we just toured through. You can see the floor joists as we saw them being constructed in our jig, now in place on site. And this is actually the marriage point where the two modules came together. You can see the different direction of the floor joists. This running north-south, this running east-west. This is where the unit comes together. On site, once the two pieces are put together, there's bolts that go through the band joist. We use a double microlam band, connect the two pieces together. Also, you can see here, as we back up, the solid bridging. All of our floors are built with solid bridging. Helps stabilize the floor and keep it a very rigid, solid floor.